guys, here she is, all done. Sanded it down real quick with the flapper wheel just to take any rough edges off. Encased 3 sides of each workbench just to keep the dust out of the inside. This is going to live at the end of my table saw. And again, these guys can be pulled apart, wheeled out, used anywhere. I got these little clasps. I don't think I'm going to use this. Just when it's living at where it's going to live, just to keep it from moving around, but I don't think it's gonna. All right, next thing you'll see is in position. All right, YouTube, my outfeed table slash assembly table slash workbenches slash storage. It's all done. Leveling feet down. Table's nice and flat, level. I took that latch off because it was doing absolutely nothing, not necessary. And you can see now on the angle iron there at the end of my table, I'll have a nice outfeed table for safety, ease. Perfect. All right, guys, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And look for more content. Take care.